वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 12th 3 डायमेंशन पार्ट नंबर 8 करेंगे। चलो देखते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो दिस इज क्लास 12th 3 डायमेंशन पार्ट 8। सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन with intercept 2, 3 and 4 on the XYZ axis respectively. So this is very easy question and basic question and important question also. So we have to find equation of plane when intercept on x-axis, y-axis and z-axis are given. For this type of question, what is the main important point? Because we know the formula. Equation of plane in intercept form what? X upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. So for this type of question, see the answer first. So equation of plane with when intercept is given is what? X upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. Where a, b, c are intercept on x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. So here already given the value of a, b, c. So put the value. So this is x upon, this is 2 plus y upon b is 3 plus z upon c is 4 and this equal to 1. Now you know here denominator is 2, 3, 4. So you can take LCM and simplify this expression. So 2, 3, 4. You know what is the LCM of this? Every student know LCM. You see here. This is 2, 3, 4. So we can find LCM like this. 2 1 are 2, 3 and 2 2 are 4. So this is 2 multiply 3 multiply 2. So what is this? 12. So our LCM of the denominator is what? 12. So this is 12. So we can write 2 6 are 12. So this is 6 6. 3 4 are 12. This is 4y. And 4 3 are 12. This is 3z. And this equal to 1. When we will cross multiply this, then we will get 6x plus 4y plus 3z. This equal to 12. This is our answer. So this is the question. Find equation of plane when intercept 2, 3, 4 on x, y, z are given. So when this type of question came, you apply this formula. That is equation of plane when intercept a, b, c are given on x, y, z. Then x upon a plus y upon b plus z by c equal to 1. Here a, b, c are already given 2, 3, 4. So put this value x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 equal to 1. Now we take LCM 2, 3, 4. So here we have found LCM, that is 12. So this is 12. So 2 6 are 12, 6x. 3 4s are 12, 4y. 4 3s are 12, 3z. Now cross multiply, you will get 6x 4y plus 3z equal to 12. This is the right answer. Okay, understood? Good. Now we are going for the second question. Answer 2. What is the second question? Find vector equation of plane passing through the intersection of plane r dot I unit vector I plus unit vector j plus k equal to 6 and other plane r vector dot 2I plus 3j plus 4k equal to -1 and the passing point is given 1 1 1. So we here equation of plane given, two equation of plane given and passing point given. We have to find vector equation of plane when our required plane passing through the intersection of these two plane and from that point. For this type of question, what can we do? See. So what is the formula? This is r vector. So this is what is called n1 and this is what? This is d1. So this is the form of r vector dot n1 d1 and this is r vector dot, this is n2 and this is what? d2. So this is the form of r vector dot n2 vector and equal to d2. So this is n1 vector and this is n2 vector. So required equation of plane will be what? So this is r vector dot n1. So n1 is given unit vector I plus unit vector j plus unit vector k. So r dot n1 plus this is n1 plus any constant lambda into n2. So n2 is what? This is 2i plus 3j plus 4k equal to d1. d1 is what? It is given 6. So this is d1 plus lambda into d2. d2 is what? Minus 5. Okay. So this is the format r dot n1 vector plus lambda into n2 vector equal to what? That is d1 plus lambda d2. Right? Now you can, this is the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of these two planes. Now it is given that this vector equation of plane passing through the point 1, 1, 1. So with the help of this passing point, we can find the value of lambda also. Okay. So this is the first equation. So for finding the lambda, what can we do? See, r vector. So we can write r vector as a x unit vector I, y unit vector j, and z unit vector k, and dot. This is I plus 2i. So I plus 2i is what? 3i. So we can write 1. Here I common, here I common. So this is 1 plus 2 lambda into unit vector I. In the same way here j, here 3j. So we can write here again plus. This is 1 plus 3 lambda into unit vector j. Again here k, here 4k. So we can write here again 1 plus 4 lambda into unit vector k. Right? And this equal to 6 minus 5 lambda. Okay. Now you know cross product of this and this. So you know in cross product, I unit vector I dot unit vector I is what? 1. And I unit vector I along other j or k is 0. So you take same. So here x unit vector I dot 1 plus 2 lambda. So it will give you what? X into 1 plus 2 lambda. X into 1 plus 2 lambda. In the same way here y. So y into 1 plus 3 lambda. Again this is same, that is z. So z into 1 plus 4 lambda. And this equal to what? 6 minus 5 lambda. Now this line is passing through the point 1, 1. This is the given point. So this 1, 1 point will satisfy this equation. So put the value of x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. So this is what? Only 1 plus 2 lambda, here 1 plus 3 lambda, and here 1 plus 4 lambda. And this equal to what? That is 6 minus 5 lambda. So now this is 2 lambda, 3, 5 and 4, 9. So this is 9 lambda. Here 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 9 lambda plus 3 equal to what? 6 minus 5 lambda. So we can write 9 lambda here plus 5 lambda equal to what? 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 plus 5, 14. So 14 lambda equal to 3. So lambda equal to what? 14 by 3. So now put the value of this lambda here. So you will get the right answer. Lambda is 14 by 3. So put this value of lambda 14 by 3 here. So this is 14 by 3 into this plus 6 equal to 6 plus again 14 by 3 into minus 5, and you will get the correct answer. So for this type of question, what is the rule? First, find vector equation of plane passing through the intersection of the plane, two plane equation given. So for this type of question, this is the important formula. R vector dot n1 vector plus lambda any constant n2 vector equal to d1 plus lambda into d2. So put this value. If there is not given any passing point, this is your right answer. If there is a given passing point, with the help of passing point, you can find constant value lambda or any value k. So this value when found, you put this value, you will get your correct answer. Okay, so I think you will understood. Good. So this is the question number second, important question. So you have to learn that only, that is the vector equation of plane is what? R dot n1 equal to d1, R vector dot n2 equal to d2. From given equation you can find n1, n2, d1, d2. Then apply this formula. So now come to the third question. So now the third question is what? This is the third question. So that the lines x plus 3 by 3 equal to y minus 1 upon 1 and z minus 5 upon 5 and x plus 1 upon minus 1, y minus 2 upon 2 and z minus 5 by 5 are coplanar. So any two lines are coplanar when there is if the equation of lines are given in this form. Okay, then we can apply this technique. Determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. This is in the first row. Then this is a1, b1, c1. So this is a1, b1, c1. And this is a2, b2, c2. So this is a2, b2, c2. So find this value. If the value of this determinant is 0, then the given equation of line will be coplanar. So just find and check it. So what is this? x2 minus x1. So what is first you find x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. So this is x plus 3. So x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3. So x1 equal to what? Minus 3. In the same way, y minus 1, 0, y equal to 1. So this is y1 equal to what? 1. And the same way, z1 equal to what? 5. And here a1 equal to what? Minus 3. And b1 equal to what? That is 1. And c1 equal to what? That is 5. In the same way, x plus 1, 0, 6 minus 1. So this is x2. So x2 equal to what? Minus 1. Same way, y2. Y minus 2, 0, y2. So y2 is 2. Z minus 5, 0. So z2 equal to what? 5. Again, this is a2. a2 is what? Minus 1. And b2 is what? That is 2. And c2 is what? That is 5. So now put this value. So x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1. So minus 1 minus minus plus. So minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. So this is 2. In the same way, y2 minus y1. So this is y2, this is y1. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. So this is 1. Again, z2 minus z1. So this is z2, this is z1, that is 0. Now a1, b1, c1. So this is minus 3, this is 1, this is 5. Again A2, B2, C2. This is -1, this is 2, and this is 5, right? Now find the value of this. So you know how can we expand this determinant. So we are solving this by along first row. So this is the position first row, first column. So this is 2. So first row, first column, eliminate. So this is 5 minus 10. So 5 minus 10 is what? Minus 5. So this is minus 5. Okay. Again this is 1. So first row, second column. First row, second. So 1 plus 2, 3. So it is negative. So this is minus 1. So first row, second column, first row and second column left. First row, second column. You will get minus 15 and minus minus plus. So minus 15 plus 5. So minus 15 plus 5 is what? Minus 10. So this is minus 10. So you will get here minus 10. This is minus 10 and this is plus 10 equal to what? 0. So determinant of this is 0. It shows that given equation of lines are coplanar. So again listen the question. So that the line x plus 3 upon minus 3, y minus 1 by 1, z minus 5 by 5 and x plus 1 upon minus 1, y minus 2 by 2, z minus 5 by 5 are the coplanar. So this is the model question. Any question given for this type of equation of line and you have to show if these are the coplanar or not. So we can find very easily. First from the given equation you find x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Then apply this technique x2 minus x1 in first row, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Then second row that is a1, b1, c1 and third row a2, b2, c2. How can we find this? From the first equation x plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 3, y1, z5. So x1 minus 3, y1 1 and z1 minus 5. Z1 is 5. So here 5. A1, B1, C1 from here A1, B1, C1. In the same way we can find x2. So here x plus 1, 0. So x is minus 1. So x2 minus 1. Y2 here 2 and Z2 here 5. Again A2, B2, C2 minus 1, 2 and 5. So apply this technique, you will get your correct answer. तो इस तरह से हमने ये 3 क्वेश्चंस को बहुत ही इजी तरीके से हमने सॉल्व किया है और ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है आपका 3 डायमेंशन का. तो इसको आप अच्छी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करो. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट देन आल्सो राइट इट कमेंट आल्सो. ओके, थैंक यू.